Hello my lovely viewers, hello and welcome for another video with me. I'm Yuli and I welcome you all on my channel. Thank you so much for the new subscribers, thank you very much, I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And thank you for those who are subscribing right now, so please click the like, click the subscribe, click the tiny bell, that will notify you when my next video will come up. So let's jump to today's video. Today's video is how to clean at home, simple and efficient, sterling silver jewelry, especially the vintage and the second hand sterling silver jewelry. I am a big fan of sterling silver jewelry. As you can see, I'm wearing a very beautiful set with moonstones. Right now, in 90% of my collection, or maybe 80% of my collection, are vintage and second hand jewelry, and the rest, it's new. But even with the new jewelry, I like to give them a really good scrub and really good clean before I wear them. This is just me, I'm not sure. Do you do that as well? Let me know in the comments if you clean your jewelry after you buy them. So let's jump to the video. For this deep cleaning sterling silver jewelries, you will need baking soda, a wooden spoon to scoop out the baking soda from the jar, a nail brush and a toothbrush. And now let's start the process. I like to do the process over the sink, and I always use one of these stopper. Believe me, I've lost so many earrings, so many jewelries on the drainage of the sink, and I also opened so many sinks in my travels to collect my jewelry back. As you can see, my jewelries are very tarnished, and I want to show you how I clean them. I'm using baking soda, and put all over them. And with a toothbrush, this is an old toothbrush, and I'm using it for my jewelry now. I wet it a little bit, and then I'm taking every single piece and I'm rubbing. Do you see the color now, the brown and the black color that is now on the sink? That's a proof that it gets clean. I wash them and I take the process again. Now I redo the process again. I want to show you the difference. This is the one that I washed, and this is the one that I did not wash. You can also rub them between your fingers if you have bigger pieces. With the brush, it's easy to get in small details. If you have, for example, like this one, you see how many details it has? I give them 3 good scrubs, and now it's time to wash them properly. This process works very well with any type of sterling silver jewelry, like earrings, necklaces. Also, you can clean any type of sterling silver. As I said, I have here a belt, a sterling silver belt. It's very beautiful, but unfortunately it started to be too small for my waist. Yes, I put a little bit of weight, and I will sell it. Yes, and I want to give it a very good clean before I sell it. And here you have it, they are all clean, nice and shiny, using only water, baking soda and the brush. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like it, subscribe, share it with your friends. Maybe somebody will benefit for the tips that I gave you. Until the next time, all the best and bye bye for now.